I'm very excited to announce that I have created my first unmanaged package called Salesforce PDF Emailer Lite. In this package, you'll be able to select the Create PDF button that will create a PDF file for the 4 big objects: account, contact, opportunity, and lead. And it will create a pop-up window where you're able to print or download the PDF. This package also allows you to email this PDF in another button called Email PDF. You can select up to 2 email addresses you'd like this in this PDF as an attachment, and it even supports org-wide email addresses. An additional piece of functionality is that whenever you do email a PDF, it creates an activity that is related to the record that you emailed the PDF from. So this allows for additional tracking of who sent the email, where it went, and what time and day it was done. The best part of this package is that it's free. On my GitHub, look at the read-only file. There's download links, and the link for it is in the description. So make sure to check it out. But check out this demo video I've created that walks you through the functionality and what it looks like.
PDF Emailer Lite is available for accounts, contacts, opportunities, and leads. Under each of those options, you'll notice 2 new quick actions. We have Create PDF and Email PDF. We're going to focus on the Create PDF first. As you can see, we're looking at accounts, and you'll be able to add the Create PDF quick action directly to the page layout. This will allow you to create a PDF record directly on the account record that you're viewing. From there, you can either print or download the PDF. Now, when you select Create PDF, a pop-up window comes up and it allows you to either print or download the PDF. And as you can see, there are sections broken out and not all the fields are there. That's because we have custom metadata types set up for this. Under the custom metadata of PDF field config, this is where you can set up which fields you want to display and set up the sections. As you can see for the account, we have quite a few set up here. And as you view it, you can see the name, what field we're pulling in. You need to make sure you select include. That makes it appear in the PDF. And you can set what section this field will sit under as well. If you don't have any custom metadata set up, the PDF controller will pull in any field that has a value inserted into it. And this is what it looks like to go in and add a new field that you want to include on your PDF file. You make sure to put a label, the header, make sure to select include, and you can actually set the sort order as well. As you can see on this opportunity, when I create the PDF, I don't have any custom metadata set up, so it pulls in every field that is on the record that has a value. This is to be expected as this is the default setting of the controller. Now to take a look at the email PDF flow, this is for the email PDF functionality. You want to make sure you go in and activate the flow when you download the package before adding the quick actions to your page layout to launch the flow. And as you can see, it's right there under email PDF, and you'll add it to your page layout. And now on your page layout in the drop down, there's an email PDF option. It pops up a screen where you can enter at least an email that you want to send to, and you can actually add an additional CC email, but that is optional. When you hit email PDF, this will send an email and generate a PDF as an attachment. As you can see, I'm using an org-wide email that it comes through, and this is what the email itself it looks like. And you can directly click on the attachment. And from here, you can download, print it, whatever you'd like, and this is what it'll look like when you send it to other users. Now let's take a look at how the flow functions. So it doesn't matter if it's the account, contact, lead, or opportunity, one flow that handles all 4 objects with the email PDF. And lastly, a really cool piece of functionality is that whenever you email a PDF, it creates an activity and logs it to the account, contact, lead, or opportunity. It does it for all 4 objects. And it gives you the basic information of where it was sent, by who, and information like that. This is a really cool and powerful tool I've created, so make sure to check it out, and if you enjoy it, make sure to leave a comment.
I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my video. If you like the unmanaged package, make sure to leave a comment. There may be a pro version in the future that has way more functionality, and I have so many plans for other projects, and I will be maintaining this unmanaged package even though it's free, so new updates will be rolling out periodically as well. I appreciate you taking time to check out this video, and I will see you in the next one.